How to add the calendar next event widget to the lock screen on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Now from the home screen, tap on Settings. Then in Settings, we scroll down and then tap on Wallpaper. Next, tap on the Customize button on the left hand side panel. Then you tap on the widget panel here. Next, we scroll down and then tap on Calendar. Then in here, select a widget. So we have a small widget or a large widget. So in here, we're going to select a large calendar next event widget, and that will be added to your widget panel. Now tap on the Close button to close that pop-up window. Then tap on Done. And that's it. So now if I go to my lock screen, you can see now it shows the calendar widget on my lock screen. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.